Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove all friends on Roblox fast. First, go to Roblox. And sign into your account. Once you're here, and go to Friends. The normal way to unfriend someone is to select their name, open their profile. Then select 3 dots, then click on Unfriend. But there's a faster way. On Google Chrome, search for Chrome extensions and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar type in, Roblox Friend Removal button. Click on it. Here you can see an option which says, Remove from Chrome, that is why I have already added this extension. If you not added, option should be Add to Chrome. So, simply click on that and add it to Chrome. Once the extension has been added, go back to your friends page and simply refresh the page. Now you'll see a button next to each friend. You can quickly remove people by pressing it. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.